Hello everybody, welcome to Vajiraman Ravi. This is Pooja Singh. Today the discussion will have some puzzling questions that you all must be having after this prelims. This UPSC CSE has two sides. On one side there's glitz, glamour and magic. But on the other side, we have that anxiety to succeed, that pressure of preparing the whole syllabus, that vast syllabus, and that throat cutting competition. Indeed, that is too much, right? We will be discussing all of it today. The results are out recently, and we again have two sides. On one side, we have students who have cleared it and are going to prepare for the next level. And on another side, we have those who just missed it after doing everything they could. So, for this discussion today, we have our esteemed faculty with us, Praveen Dikshit sir, in the studio. Sir, welcome to the podcast. Sir, you have guided 100 of students. You have seen students reach the top to the success, right? You have also handholded the students who have recently seen the failure in the prelims 2024. So what are your thoughts about this? How should they manage this failure? And that thing that comes in our minds, like they must be facing, ki, what would people say about my this failure? I failed again. What I'm gonna do?
First thing, the nature of this exam is कि it is in 3 steps every exam, every year, and then you have multiple attempts. And the main reason of failure is less number of seats. And the main reason is not failure that someone is failed or someone is less prepared. Main failure of this exam is less number of seats. An exam which will have 1,000 vacancies and million students working for it. So it ought to have failures. Second thing, it's easier for me to say, but every student who have succeeded even the rank 1, they have failed the earlier phases of their exams. And rarely any student can say that I have cleared the exam in one go. And second thing, this exam is about knowledge. It's not largely about intelligence. As for example, if you see the Math Olympiad recently, so that is the exam of intelligence. If I can't do that, I can't do. You give me 1 day, 2 day, 10 day, you give me question paper to prepare, I can't do it. This exam is about knowledge, quantum of knowledge. For example, they asked a question, कि Madhyam Vyayog is the work of which author? Or which of the following literature is not the work of Bhash? You can't answer this by intelligence. First you will know what is Sanskrit Kavya. Then you will read the names of authors like Kalidas, Ashwaghosh, Bhash. And then the third phase you will go and you will start seeing the name of their literature. The difference between me and you who could answer and who could not is not intelligence. It is knowledge, which take times together. It takes some time for knowledge to gather. So, in the process of knowledge gathering, coming short of knowledge is the part of this exam. So, that will happen with you. You take it easily, that's good for you. And if you devastate yourself in that failure, so obviously it will be a very bad thing for you. So, my feeling is that in the first class of my college, if I am punished, or in school, if I am punished on the first day, I feel very embarrassed. But by the 20th and 30th time, I start enjoying it. When teacher asks me to leave the class, so I happily leave. And I go out and I do something. Or when I have seen some students, especially girls, when teachers punish them, so they start crying. Whereas the backbenchers, they feel it's very obvious. This is the life. Likewise, a student should have that type of, I should not say shamelessness, but should have that thick skin. And that's why I'll tell you, those who are born champions in this life, in their past lives, for them this exam is more difficult. Those who are used to fail, say for example a student who could not do anything in 10th, 12th, then in college, then he comes to this preparation, so he generally manages it a bit better. Problem with the winners is that the punch they have to take on their face That is a difficult part. तो जैसे one famous saying of a boxer, Joe Louis, every boxer has a plan until they punch on the face. Till I am not punch, I will tell you hundreds of theories of fighting. So likewise, take this failure as a punch. It's a boxing match, and any part of failure is just a punch on face. Easier for me. कि भाई forget about the punch. But after taking the punch, gather your energy. Take the time between the round. Try thinking coming back. You will never see a boxer crying after getting punch. If you are punch knocked down, so gather yourself, prepare for the next round, and try to not think what people are thinking that you are punched. Imagine you are an undisputed champion and a new challenger comes and hit you. As just I am telling, not going deep into it, there was a boxer called Sonny Liston, 1964. Muhammad Ali challenged him. Muhammad Ali was the debutant challenger. He challenged and mocked Sonny Liston. Sonny Liston only lost that match because he could not believe how this boxer is beating me. So for Sonny Liston, his height was twice, almost weight is twice. He's like the bear. And Muhammad Ali was a new boxer. So Sonny Liston lost that match only because he can't believe how this man is beating me up. So the job of Sonny Liston should have been to sit back, readjust your planning, and then come back and fight. So for students, my only message is, don't take this failure very seriously. For example, if I am coming to class and I am unable to teach properly, so my job is to take break or gather, rather than worrying why class is not going good. Think about future and the strategies rather than thinking about what people will think.
Truly.
Because that is increasing the pressure on yourself. Think about what you should do.
And sir, obviously, what people would think. When I think about it, sir, how much do you put your time thinking about others, right? In a whole day, how much hours do you give to think about other people, right? So it's useless to even think that they will be taking their time and thinking about what you are doing in life.
Yes. I feel that nature of this life, nature of the society is talking bad about others. For example, if we two are good friends, we will talk bad about the third one. If we are not good friends, then only we will talk about good. In courtesy. So people are talking bad about you. So we also talk about bad about people.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
It is nature of society. And don't get worried by it. No one will talk ever good about you.
Yeah.
No one will feel happy on your success. Tolerating others' success is an impossible job. And enjoying others' failure is the most natural thing. Let people enjoy your failure. You can't stop it. उसका क्या करें हम? भाई ये बताओ, if I am failure and someone is enjoying my failure, what could I do? So I can't do anything now. If I could stop, so I will stop. But I can't stop. So that is, take it as a part of nature. And we also do it. We also pass judgment on other people. When we see someone doing badly, so how much enjoyable it is. So word is demonic. It's not divine. Demonic. Demonic means 100 times you have to drive good to avoid the accident. To avoid the accident, you have to do 100 good things. But for accident, just one bad thing. Nature of this society is that people mock others' failure. Be easy with that. उससे easy हो जाए. For example, if the job, जैसे one student, just an example I'm giving, one student, real incident, he say कि every day sir comes to my flat and drink with us. Believe me, I have never tasted a drop of alcohol. Never. But he say this. Up, you tell me what could I do? I can scold him. No, I can scold him. Should I scold him? What if I will scold him?
He won't change it.
No, he won't change. No, people will think I am really going and drinking. And I am scolding this boy only because he is telling this. For revealing. The only thing I could do is do nothing. He sits in front of me in class. He asked doubt to me outside class. But I have never uttered a single word about it. He tells everyone. Many students told me, sir, he says you go to his flat. I said, believe me. First I used to convince the student. It was 2 years back. Believe me, I never drink. But then I've stopped doing it. I said, mind your business. You ask whatever you have to ask and go. And he should also mind, everyone should mind their own business. I can't do anything about it. Although I am in power, I could ask the institute, I could ask Vajiram, officer, management, do something about it, scold the boy, rusticate it, suspend it, nothing. I could do nothing about it. I, who's having power over a student at least for 3 hours in the class, I could scold him, I could tell him anything, I could talk to his parents. I have the phone number of his parents. I cannot do anything. The only way I could save my face is not to talk about it. You can't do anything whenever someone talks about you. That's rule number 1. So if you can't do something about anything, तो stop talking. We all know we will die, but we don't discuss it. ऐसा तो नहीं we every day discuss कि अरे यार 1 more day gone. Only 10 मुझे जितने भी years. So always when you can't do anything about it, just keep quiet and do whatever you have to do. And believe me, that's the easiest thing. And for example, if anything happens with me, 90% of things out of my control. I am going in traffic and someone abused me from far away. And he went. I'll not take U-turn to fight him. I'll simply listen him. If I could give a word back, I'll give word back. If I can't, so I can't. If you cannot do about something, think less about it. It affects us. I am not saying कि I should act like a Buddha when I am not Bhagwan Buddha. बुद्ध की तरह मैं नहीं हूँ. भगवान बुद्ध नहीं हूँ. I am not saying कि become भगवान बुद्ध. But if I can't do, I can't do. जैसे for example, a beggar abused me in front of my house. Every day comes in front of my house, abuse me. I could beat him up. I will. But if a police officer comes and abuse me, तो I will do nothing about it. भाई फिर मैं क्या करूँ? भाई वन पुलिस की गाड़ी आए, comes in front of my house and he starts abusing me. तो I will say अरे कोई बात नहीं, क्यों मुंह लगना, है ना? क्यों इन पर ध्यान देना? If a beggar will do, तो I will beat him up. Because in beggar's case I could do something. तो I am not of the belief कि I should talk hypocrisy की act like भगवान बुद्ध. मैं नहीं हूँ बुद्ध, मैं नहीं बात कर सकता. पर जब मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, if I can't do something about anything, तो I should not do. I should not think also. तो उसको छोड़ दो, हटा दो.
So minding our own business.
Minding your own business and let people enjoy their lives. है ना? We should not preach कि society is like this. We are also part of society and we have made it like this.
Sure, sir. Sir, there's an emotional backlash, right? There's like stress. Mental well-being is very important in this whole journey of UPSC, right? And even though we say it that we are fine, we continuously keep ourselves telling that, but there's something inside. When we see failures like this, there's something inside that like have a fear of failing again, or there's a kind of guilt that we are not putting 100%. How to like deal with that emotional backlash?
Okay, emotional backlash is the result of poor social life. If social life is poor, your emotions will generate. If I have to unwind it up, because the problem of brain or human brain is that it is a social animal, society. So it generates thoughts. If you will talk to someone, you will vent out your thoughts and your brain will get calm. For example, if many students could check this, if you don't have a good social life and you start reading, your brain will develop a habit to talk to itself. And you will find an undercurrent of thought. You are reading something else and you are thinking something else. Brain shut down नहीं होता है. Brain do not get calm to study. तो जो आप backlash and all these emotions, they are the undercurrents of a brain, a lonely brain. You talk about some problem will come down. For example, in school I remember कि ma'am used to check the notebooks. And if I am alone without the notebook, entire class has brought the notebook. And in interval I ask everyone, you brought the notebook? You said yes. Others said yes. Others said yes. And I know I am the only one. That gives me a very tense time. In another day I asked, so you also did not brought? No one brought. I know in this case also I will get the same punishment. But that calmed me a lot. Always stay with those who are preparing for UPSC. Talk to them. Vent out the problems. You will find yourself much more calm. If you do not have a good social life, you will never be able to manage your emotions. And that's why those students, after divorce, you will see many families do not let their child be alone. The reason is loneliness, the thought which are generated in the loneliness, they are the sole reason of entire of this anxiety. So if you feel that you are a failed person, stay with the other failures. You both will calm each other down. And I'm not saying talk only about subject. Talk rubbish. Talk rubbish. But same people talk a good rubbish. For example, many of you will feel कि your school friends, with whom you have years spent together, good friends, not preparing for UPSC. Try talking to him, you will not enjoy. He will talk something else, you will talk something else. दोनों का frequency match नहीं करेगी. Stay with those, talk with those who are preparing for UPSC. That is the only way to reduce your anxiety. कोई लक्ष्य और मोटिवेशन और मोटिवेशनल वीडियो और क्या IAS ऑफिसर की रॉयल एंट्री देख के nothing will happen. Talk to those who are in your same condition. Talk to those also who have cleared prelims for their help. But there should be similar type of friends. जैसे इन स्कूल कॉलेजेस में वो एक चाय की दुकान होती है वेयर द सेम टाइप ऑफ गाय मीट, है ना, जिसमें 50% वाले अलग बैठे हैं, 80% वाले. दैट गिव्स यू द मोस्ट कामनेस. एंड दैट्स वाई इफ यू आर अलोन, इफ यू आर लोनली, इफ यू हैव नो वन टू टॉक टू, योर ब्रेन विल नॉट लेट यू लिव. जिंदा नहीं रहने देगा ब्रेन. Stay with those who are preparing for UPSC under your same condition. Talk to them. You will find slowly and slowly anxiety will come down. I am not saying your problems will go down. You will be same failure. You will be same dejected person. You will be same burden on your family. But your own anxiety will come down. You will feel less anxious, less suicidal. You will not have those emotions. Only thought will remain. Emotions will go away. जैसे for example, I am sitting alone. So one is I am thinking, yaar, I am a failed person of society, embarrassment for parents. Father must be thinking or talking to other children, कि what a failure my child is. चलो, nothing I could do. तो करूँ क्या मैं इसका? Second thing, I am overwhelmed by emotions. Tears are on my eyes, and then I am thinking and shaking. Avoid that. Thoughts तो आएंगे ही. जैसे while scolding, mothers always say कि you are a black mark on this family और ये और क्या है, you are born that day, the bad luck comes in this family. तो if you are not emotional, तो you will simply say कि तो what could I do for it? I did not give application, give me birth. मैंने application तो नहीं दी थी मुझे पैदा करो, तो अब मैं क्या करूँ इसका? तो you will see कि you will also start laughing, and 50% chances your mother will also find it cute. Take the other situation. You are emotionally very charged and your mother started saying, and you said, I'll not eat and I'm going and I'm doing suicide. That will escalate the things further. I have now noticed it. Whenever my parents scold me or elders scold me, so now I start taking it to a funny place. So they get more angry for a moment. क्या बदतमीजी है? But then I have seen that they also get calmed down and they leave me कि it's a hopeless case. Then they talk like this कि चलो God will tell you, है ना, God will punish you. हम क्या बोले इसमें? तो I am just saying कि the emotional persons always escalate the conditions. Non-emotional persons always reduce the conditions. Always remember this. And the way to get non-emotional is human talk. Abhi when I came to give this podcast, I was not feeling very energetic. For 5-10 minutes I wasted the time here. We talked nothing rubbish and immediately I started feeling energetic. Always remember your emotions and your thoughts are two different things. We generally get confused in this. Emotions which come without thoughts which are coming in brain. So talking takes the emotion down. You will not get emotional. You will get thoughtful. In that thought, हाँ ठीक बात है, that thought is obviously about defeat, obviously about embarrassment. But that will not make you emotional. आपको emotional है. And emotional person can never take a decision. जैसे एक emotional की एक example दूँ मैं कि you will see in movies the most brutal villain never chase heroine with emotion. Heroine is running and you will see the professional murderer is walking coldly towards her. He never chase women. कभी लड़की को दौड़ाता नहीं है वो. He is also running. You will see girl is running and he is holding a gun because he is absolutely aware that he will murder. वो कर दे जाएगा. जैसे for example in highway you have to chase someone और आप चाय पीने के लिए रुके, you stop for tree और वो हाईवे में बगल से निकल गया, ठीक? He is on a e-rickshaw. If you are on foot, so you will throw your tea and you will start running behind him. And if you are in a car, so you will coldly watch him going. And then you will complete your tea and then you will turn on your car and you will go and you will drive side by him. Or where are you going? So this emotion is the sign of weakness. And you feel weak, alone person feel weak. तो पूरी उसकी साइकोलॉजी ये है कि इफ यू विल टॉक टू समवन योर इमोशंस विल कम डाउन, यू विल ओनली लीव लेफ्ट विद योर थॉट्स, आप अपने विचारों के साथ बचेंगे, एंड देन यू विल बी बेटर एबल टू मैनेज इट. इमोशंस मेक द थॉट्स फॉगी. जैसे एक वो मूवी है, नॉवेल है, वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट, गॉडफादर. तो उसमें वो ऑथर लिखता है, नेवर हेट योर एनिमी, इट विल क्लाउड योर जजमेंट. एनिमी से भी हेट नहीं करना है, हेटरेड इज एन इमोशन. प्लान टू किल हिम टेक्निकली, नॉट इमोशनली. ये खाली बैठ कर नहीं मैं अपने दुश्मन की जिंदगी नहीं बर्बाद. थिंक अबाउट हिम, व्हाट इज डूइंग एंड व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट स्टेप टू डिमोलिश. हेट आप करने लग जाओगे, यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू. कभी आप, दैट्स वाई नेवर लव अ सब्जेक्ट. स्टूडेंट का काम सब्जेक्ट लव करना नहीं है. सब्जेक्ट लवर्स कुछ नहीं कर पाते. नेवर लव अ सब्जेक्ट, गिव इक्वल टाइम. किसी सब्जेक्ट से इमोशनली अटैचमेंट नहीं होना चाहिए. एंटायर ऑफ इंडियन फिलोसफी, चाहे आप भगवत गीता पढ़ो, उपनिषद पढ़ो, बुद्धिज्म, जैनिज्म, सब में इसी डिटैचमेंट की बात है. डिटैचमेंट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. माया मोह से दूर. उसकी लंबी कहानी है, विच सम अदर डे. हाँ जी.
So basically, sir, accountability to self is like the first priority. Like keep yourself happy, healthy, to actually face the whole like preparation wala journey, right? You don't have to stress it out just because what family would be thinking, how much I am of a burden to them, or what my friends would be thinking.
देखो मैम, if I am 100% healthy, 100% unemotional, 100% hardworking, even then my success is doubtful. इन बर्डन्स के बाद तो
क्या ही
100% डाउटफुल. मीन्स इफ आई एम एट द टॉप ऑफ माई ट्रेड, देन ऑल्सो आई कांट गारंटी विराट कोहली भी रन बनाएगा, इसका गेस नहीं है. इमेजिन अ बैट्समैन हुज आईज आर स्वेलिंग, हु डिड नॉट स्लेप्ट इन नाइट, हुज हंग्री, हुज थिंकिंग अबाउट द पब्लिक. वो तो सर्टेन ही नहीं बना पाएगा. इवन इफ यू आर एट द टॉप ऑफ योर ट्रेड, सक्सेस इज नॉट सर्टेन. तो फॉरगेट विद दीज बर्डन्स. यू विल एवर सी द टॉप पर्सन. जैसे मैम एक वो मूवी देखें आप, लगान मूवी है. इन द लास्ट बॉल ऑफ दैट लगान मूवी आमिर खान को कुछ 6 मारना था. वैसे तो वी ऑल नो ही विल हिट, बट आप मूवी देखो तो ही इज थिंकिंग अबाउट हिज विलेजर्स, 3 गुना लगान, थिंक अबाउट दैट गर्ल, थिंक अबाउट एवरीथिंग. डू यू रियली थिंक विराट कोहली भी और रोहित शर्मा भी यही सोचते हैं बैटिंग करते समय? नॉट एट ऑल. वो मूवी है. देयर जॉब इज टू प्रमोट इमोशन. But if you will see Lionel Messi running with the ball, Virat Kohli going to hit the ball, और वो क्या बॉलर है बुमराह, वो थोड़ी सोचते हैं कि वो 50,000 people are looking at me, मेरे घर वालों का क्या होगा, मेरी बीवी बच्चे यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं देखने, और मिट्टी ऐसे का तिलक लगा लिया, एंड आई विल गो द बॉल, वो दूसरे को दी, जा बेटा. दे टेक्निकली थिंक कि भाई वो ही इज नॉट एबल टू प्ले द यॉर्कर, तो माई जॉब इज टू थ्रो द यॉर्कर. दे टेक दैट बॉल एज एनी अदर बॉल इन द नेट्स. जब वो कोहली ने वो छक्का मारा था उसको बॉलर को, तो ही वॉज ओनली लुकिंग एट द सीम ऑफ द बॉल एंड हैंड ऑफ द बॉलर. उसके बाद ही गॉट इमोशनल. व्हेन ही वन द मैच, देन ही पंच. तो हमें लगता है इमोशन से जीत गया. इमोशंस विल नेवर विन यू. ये जान लें आप. फॉर सिंगिंग अ गुड सैड सॉन्ग, आई नीड नॉट टू बी सैड. आई शुड हैव अ गुड ग्रिप ऑन राग एंड ताल. किशोर कुमार एंड अरिजीत सिंह विल सिंग अ सैडर सॉन्ग, अ सैड सॉन्ग, हैप्पियर देन अस. हम कितना भी रोल लें यहाँ, we start crying and we think about entire thing of our past. सारी फेलियर सोच लें, हम सैड सॉन्ग नहीं गा पाएंगे. You need technicalities, and emotions are the enemy of technicalities. Either I could be technical or I could be emotional. हम क्या, society gives us a training and we glorify emotions. हम emotions glorify करते हैं. कोई भी टॉपर देखेंगे तो अपनी झूठी कहानी सुनाएगा, and we will get very emotional. जैसे वो पेरेंट्स से, मदर से, कि when you were born, तो हमने जो है ये, दे टेक्निकली डिड इट. कभी मेरे रोने पे मदर नहीं रोई होंगी. व्हेन आई वाज क्राइंग इन चाइल्डहुड, तो माय मदर मस्ट हैव थॉट कि व्हाट इज प्रॉब्लम विद मी. उन्होंने मेरा बॉडी टेम्परेचर चेक किया होगा. इमेजिन मदर आल्सो स्टार्ट्स क्राइंग विद मी. मेरा बच्चा रो रहा है, मैं भी रोने लग जाऊं. तो दीज आर द साइंस ऑफ वर्स्ट मदर. यू विल सी ग्रैंड मदर्स हु हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ टेंस ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. वो कभी बच्चे को रोते देख के परेशान नहीं होती. जैसे हम ब्रिंग हिम एंड दे चेक अस कि हाँ पेट में तो दर्द नहीं हो रहा है, तो व्हेन वी स्टार्ट क्राइंग, उसके पेट में दर्द हो रहा है, give him this medicine. Always technical person can succeed in life, emotional person can do nothing. तो अगर आप just discourage the emotions, अपने emotions को खुद भी ज्यादा encourage न किया करें. ये सब Bollywoodization of life है. Your life is not a Bollywood movie, है ना. Discourage the emotions. For example, कुछ भी एग्जाम्पल ले लें आप, किसी भी चीज में आप देख लें, emotions are the enemy of job. इमोशनल लोग कभी जॉब नहीं कर सकते. और आप whatever emotion you hear फ्रॉम द टॉपर्स, फ्रॉम द ऑफिसर, फ्रॉम द मूवीज, वो प्रोसेस के बाद के प्रोसेस है. कोई भी एनी पर्सन इन दिस वर्ल्ड हु हैज डन एनी जॉब हैज डन इट टेक्निकली. आप ये देख लें, आर्मी में ब्रेवरी इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट, डिसिप्लिन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. या एक वो और एग्जांपल लें कि वो विलेन आया मारने एंड विलेन किल्ड द एंटायर फैमिली एंड द बॉय इज इन हाइडिंग. लड़का छुप के देख रहा है. हिज जॉब इज कीप हाइडिंग. निकल के आएगा, तुरंत गोली मार जाएगा, एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी. बॉय शुड कीप हाइडिंग, नेक्स्ट 15 years शुड मेक हिम पावरफुल. देन वो अमिताभ बच्चन बन के बदला लेने आएगा. तुरंत निकल आएगा, मेरे माँ बाप को क्यों मारा, तो तुरंत उसको भी गोली पड़ जाएगी, एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी. मूवी खत्म हो जाएगी ट्रेलर में. तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, गेट इमोशनलेस एंड ट्रेन योरसेल्फ फॉर इमोशनलेसनेस. इतनी सी बात है. अपने इमोशन को ज्यादा दिमाग, वो आदत पड़ जाती है. जैसे कुछ लोगों की गाली देने की आदत पड़ जाती है, तो दे आर इन द हैबिट ऑफ अब्यूजिंग. व्हेनेवर दे सी अ सिचुएशन दे स्टार्ट अब्यूजिंग. सम person I have seen, boys and girls both, they have the emotion of crying. Whenever some problem appears, they start crying. तो you have a go-to emotion. एक हम emotion की habit develop कर लेते हैं. Those who get the habit of getting emotional, कोई problem आती they get emotional. कुछ भी problem आएगी उनका emotion develop हो जाएगा. पीछे background music बजने लग जाएगा. They start thinking कि वो slow motion में Bollywood movie. Life slow motion की Bollywood movie नहीं. Be as non-technical as possible. Failure में, success में, दोनों में. आप देखोगे जो बेस्ट लोग होते हैं, आप कोई भी देख लो, प्लेयर्स जिनेडिन जिडान, स्टीव वॉ, दे लेस सेलिब्रेट. वो सेलिब्रेट नहीं करते. ओनली थिंग, वैसे तो आई एम नॉट अ ग्रेट फैन ऑफ हिम, बट ओनली थिंग आई लाइक अबाउट MS धोनी इज कि ही वॉज लेस हर्ट बाई सक्सेस एंड फेलियर्स. दैट्स वाई इन दोस केओस ही कुड टुक सम डिसीजंस. वो थोड़ा कम इमोशनल था. दैट्स वाई ही ट्रैक द सुपरनेचुरल पैटर्न्स ऑल्सो. वो एक लंबी कहानी है. Such things could be tracked only by those who are less emotional. जो लेस इमोशनल है. अब उसको आप कूल कह लो, कोल्ड कह लो. इफ यू आर फेल तो लोग कहेंगे अनइंटरेस्टेड हो. इफ यू आर फेल विदाउट इमोशन तो पीपल से इसको तो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, दैट्स व्हाई ही इज फेलियर. तो लेट पीपल से. बट माई ओनली विच आई हेट अबाउट दिस वर्ड इज कि वी प्रमोट ईच अदर्स इमोशन. हम इमोशन ही प्रमोट करते रहते हैं. हाँ जी. तो दैट इज द ओनली वे by which you could reduce your problems.
So basically detachment is the key.
हाँ, डिटैचमेंट, वो उसकी थोड़ी लंबी फिलॉसफी हो जाएगी. वो फिर भगवत गीता और बुद्धिज्म हो जाएगा. बट डिटैचमेंट, अब एक और एग्जांपल मैम डिटैचमेंट का यही है
जी
कि इफ आई मेक अ लाइन 6 inches की लाइन बना दूं एंड आई आस्क यू टू स्टैंड ऑन इट, यू कुड स्टैंड फॉर 1 hour. ठीक. उतने ही 6 इंच में आपको 4th फ्लोर पे खड़े होने को कहा जाए, ऑन द वॉल ऑफ 4th फ्लोर, आप नहीं खड़े हो पाएंगे.
ट्रू.
द रीजन इज हियर यू आर डिटैच्ड. आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ता गिरने से. तो आप एक पैर पे खड़े हो जाओगे. ऑन 4th फ्लोर यू कांट स्टैंड फॉर 1 second. द ओनली रीजन इज यू आर अटैच्ड देयर. आपको मरने का डर है. तो इफ यू आर स्टैंडिंग उसी 6 इंच में, ऑन दैट सेम 6 inch ब्रॉड विड्थ, यू आर स्टैंडिंग फॉर 1 hour हियर बिकॉज यू आर अनअफेक्टेड बाई फॉलिंग. आपको फॉलिंग से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. वहां पे आप 1 second नहीं खड़े हो सकते, देख नहीं सकते हो, खड़ा तो छोड़ो. The only reason is you are not detached there. Detachment is the only thing which help you to work. You will see boxers fight each other for 12 rounds and immediately hug. वो एक दूसरे से नफरत नहीं करते. That's why they are the best fighters. जो बेस्ट फाइटर होता है वो इमोशनली नहीं लड़ता है किसी भी. I can keep on quoting these things. तो in class I don't have time to explain this. I would love to students to explain this. Detachment, ये तो philosophy जब अपन पढ़ते हैं बुद्धिज्म की, कर्म क्या है, तो then I use middle path. Neither this nor that. Neither happiness nor sadness. बिल्कुल detachment. When I prepare myself in morning for class, I never say I have to teach good. I never say I have to worry about child. No, I have to eat good. भरपेट खाना खा के आता हूँ मैं. Coffee, tea, whatever I have to do, that I do. That's the only way I could teach good. मैं खाना ना खा के आऊँ, I don't eat well, I don't drink tea, I don't drink coffee, और फिर मैं आके कहूँ कि मैं तो बच्चों के लिए अपनी जान दे सकता हूँ. No one need your life. बच्चों को आपकी जान चाहिए नहीं. They need your technical effort.
True.
If I am a doctor, if I am a patient, I need my doctor to know his MBBS well. Don't worry about me. We will always go to, कौन सी मूवी थी, डॉक्टर अस्थाना. No one will go to मुन्ना भाई. कोई मुन्ना भाई के पास इलाज नहीं करवाने जाएगा. इन रियलिटी अगर आपको पता लगे, इन योर नेबरहुड मुन्ना भाई ने अपना क्लिनिक खोल रखा है एंड डॉक्टर अस्थाना हेड हिज क्लिनिक, आई गारंटी यू नो वन विल गो टू मुन्ना भाई. कोई जादू की झप्पी देगा डॉक्टर, आप ही कहो पागल है डॉक्टर. इमेजिन यू हैव सम प्रॉब्लम एंड डॉक्टर इज गिविंग यू जादू की झप्पी, तो यू विल से कि डॉक्टर नीड वन डॉक्टर, इसी को डॉक्टर चाहिए. तो दैट्स वाई ऑलवेज बी नॉन इमोशनल. वो सब मूवीज हैं, फॉरगेट अबाउट देम. रियल लाइफ इज वेरी डिफरेंट. हाँ जी.
Sure, sir. When we overcome all this emotional backlashes, so there's like this whole period of 1 year is over, right? Examination is over. There's again that whole 1 year ahead of us for preparing. So, how to ensure individual accountability? For example, getting motivated every day. How should we get back on the track? Is there any magic pill?
देखिए मैम, मोटिवेशन इज नॉट समथिंग विच आई एम अ ग्रेट फैन ऑफ, बिकॉज मोटिवेशन वर्क्स टिल द टाइम यू आर नॉट सिटिंग टू स्टडी. जैसे आई हैव मोटिवेटेड यू, तो वो तभी तक दैट विल वर्क टिल द टाइम यू डोंट ओपन योर बुक. द मोमेंट you open your book, all the motivation disappears. Motivation is the least permanent thing. I have never seen a motivated person doing a lot. You need good habits and good tricks. आपको ट्रिक्स टेक्निक्स पता होनी चाहिए एंड यू नीड गुड हैबिट्स. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द एनिमी ऑफ प्रिपरेशन इज डिल्यूजन्स. जैसे मैं कुछ डिल्यूजन आपको बताता हूँ.
Okay.
डिल्यूजन नंबर 1, द फ्रीयर योर डे इज द मोर यू विल स्टडी. ये पहला डिल्यूजन है. अ स्टूडेंट हुज बिजी इन क्लासेज और इन जॉब और डूइंग समथिंग बिजी फॉर 2-3 hours ऑफ द डे, his productivity will be more than the student who has nothing to do the entire day. In morning you got up and you thought entire day I'll study, you will not study. तो ये पहला delusion है. All free time is a delusion. You will study. Second delusion, the moment you will sit to study, you will study with full efficiency all the day. ना, ये भी delusion है. You can't study with full efficiency entire day. Third number delusion number 3, you think that your efficiency will remain same. जैसे आपको मैं बताऊं, many students who study and in comments also they'll tell कि many students who study तो they have a nostalgia. उनको past की याद आती है. That past is not their school, not their college, but the early days of preparation. Early days of preparation are the best time for an aspirant. First 3 months of preparation, car is going full speed on a highway. बिल्कुल लगता है दुनिया मुट्ठी में, I'll win it. Slowly and slowly car leaves the highway and enter into field. खेत में उतर जाती है कार. And after 8 to 10 months, simply they push accelerator, tire also moves, engine also honk, fuel is also burning, car is not moving. तो ये जो lack of efficiency है, earlier they study 20 pages a day, then 10 pages a day, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. अब delusion उनका ये है कि some motivation will bring them out of it. ये वैसे ही है कि आपकी कार, योर कार हैज स्टॉप्ड इन द मिड फील्ड और आप रेडियो पे गाने सुन रहे हो, लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना है. और वो क्या, बार बार बोलो हार, अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार, वो लगान मूवी आप देख रहे हो. मोटिवेशन सर्च करना इतना ही बेवकूफ़ी है. इट्स लाइक योर कार हैज स्टॉप्ड, रादर देन वॉचिंग अ यूट्यूब वीडियो जिसमें आप देखो कि जब कार से ऐसी आवाज आए तो ये मतलब होता है. इफ़ योर कार इज बर्निंग द फ्यूल विदाउट, तो आप उसका कार्बोरेटर चेक करो, कार्बोरेटर कहाँ होता है, चेक द कार. आप यूट्यूब पे ये भी वीडियो है, आप वो नहीं देख रहे हो. आप ये देख रहे हो कि सनी देओल ने कैसे हैंडपंप उखाड़ के पाकिस्तान में लोगों को पीट दिया. यू आर डूइंग एज रबिश एक्टिविटी. इफ यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर अ मोटिवेशन, बिलीव मी, यू आर ओनली इंक्रीजिंग योर ओन इमोशंस. अगर आप मोटिवेशनल वीडियो देख रहे हो, उसके काफ़ी लंबी उसकी फिलॉसफी है, मैम इट विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. तो अगर आप, इफ आई हैव 2 minutes, तो आप जो ये देखते हो, इससे क्या होता है, अ नेगेटिव सेल्फ इमेज डेवलप्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई सी अ टॉपर, उसका मोटिवेशनल वीडियो, तो आई विल सबकॉन्शियसली गेट इंफीरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स कि दे आर बेटर पर्सन. वो पर्सन ही बेटर है, दे आर बेटर देन मी. देन यू स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग अ गिल्ट. आप एक गिल्ट डेवलप करते हो कि आई एम द वन हुज फेलियर ऑफ द लाइफ, एम्बेरसमेंट ऑफ माई फैमिली, वेस्टिंग माई लाइफ ईयर्स एंड माई फैमिलीज मनी, आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. 1 साल बाद यू आर जस्ट अ चेंज्ड पर्सन, जिसकी वॉक में ही वो स्वैग चला जाता है. जो वॉकिंग में आपके स्वैग था कॉलेज में एंड स्टार्ट ऑफ प्रिपरेशन, दैट डिसअपियर्स. मैं, आई डोंट वांट टू एम्फेसाइज ऑन इट, आई कुड सी बाय अ स्टूडेंट की ही इज इन दैट कंडीशन. वो जब स्टूडेंट बात करता है तो वो आंख तक नहीं मिलाता है. बिलीव मी, द लाइफ ऑफ, देखो यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन इज अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग टू डू, स्पेशली इफ यू हैव टू डू इट विदाउट स्टडिंग. प्रिपरेशन एक मुश्किल चीज है, अगर बिना पढ़े ये करनी पड़े, इट इज अ लिविंग हेल. इट्स अ लिविंग हेल. दैट पर्सन डाई एवरी डे. और वो रोज मोटिवेशन खोजता है. ऑन अ स्लिपरी सरफेस ही इज नॉट सर्चिंग फ्रिक्शन, ही इज पुलिंग मोर एनर्जी. तो जब सरफेस में फ्रिक्शन है तो यू विल फॉल. इसलिए मोटिवेशन इज नॉट द आंसर ऑफ एनीथिंग. मोटिवेशन नहीं, यू आर एनफ मोटिवेटेड, तभी आप मोटिवेशनल वीडियो देख रहे हो. यूट्यूब में विच हैज हंड्रेड्स ऑफ थिंग्स एंड यू आर वॉचिंग द मोटिवेशनल वीडियो, इट मीन्स यू वर मोटिवेटेड टू ओपन इट. आप मोटिवेटेड हो, ये आपका डिल्यूजन है कि यू आर लेस मोटिवेटेड बिकॉज यू थिंक मोटिवेशन हेल्प्स. मोटिवेशन नेवर हेल्प्स, ट्रिक्स हेल्प. हाउ टू गेट आउट ऑफ इट. अब मैम उसके लिए जनरली आई हैव मेड इट, आई ऑलवेज मेक इट. पहले तो एवरी स्टूडेंट शुड आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट इज देयर टाइप. मैं इस पे दिखाई देता हूँ
Sure, sir.
एंड लेटर यू सेंड द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑल्सो. देखो, आई हैव आइडेंटिफाइड द टाइप्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट. ये शायद दिख रहा होगा ना कि दोज हु कुड स्टडी. तो दीज आर द टाइप्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स एंड दीज आर द टाइप्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स दोज हु कुड नॉट स्टडी. ये देखें, तो देर आर 9 to 10 टाइप्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. पहले आपको यह पता करना पड़ेगा कि व्हाट इज योर टाइप. द रीजन इज गिविंग एनी एडवाइस विदाउट नोइंग द कंडीशन ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट इज लाइक एडवाइजिंग वन मेडिसिन टू ऑल द पेशेंट्स. आप गंगाराम हॉस्पिटल चले जाओ और पैरासीटामॉल ले जाओ और कह दो कि हर डिपार्टमेंट में पैरासीटामॉल खाई जाएगी एंड यू स्टार्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग पैरासीटामॉल, तो यू आर नॉट अ डॉक्टर. You should not even allowed to be enter into that hospital. आपको तो हॉस्पिटल के अंदर एंट्री नहीं मिलनी चाहिए. तो if I am here telling कि there is one pill for all the students, तो that will be a disservice to student. Every student has a different stage. जैसे मैं कुछ आपको स्टेज बताता हूँ. जैसे some students are confused in the material. Some students when they study, under current of thought do not let them study. They feel less motivated. They feel lethargic. They feel procrastinating. तो ये एक अलग type of student है. Some type of student they do not get time to study. Entire day slips out of their hand. पूरा दिन ही उनका निकल जाता है. They sit to study, but फिर ये करने लगते हैं. Some student entire day study, but they change the subject. To at the end of the day they feel they have not studied anything. पूरा दिन वो पढ़ते भी हैं, कुछ efficiency भी नहीं लगती है. Some student know the subject, but they don't feel like remembering anything. पूरी बुक पढ़ने के बाद भी they feel like everything has slipped out of my mind. तो ये अलग अलग कैटेगरी ऑफ स्टूडेंट है. आप स्क्रीनशॉट में भेजूंगा तो आप दिखा डाल देना. तो इन दैट यू विल सी कि व्हाट्स योर प्रॉब्लम. विदाउट रिकॉग्नाइजिंग द प्रॉब्लम देयर इज नो सॉल्यूशन. पहले आप अपना टेस्ट जो होते हैं मेडिकल टेस्ट, गेट योर टेस्ट डन एंड देन यू गो एंड फाइंड द प्रॉब्लम. अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट फाइंड द प्रॉब्लम. जैसे अभी टुडे वन स्टूडेंट केम टू मी एंड ही सेज आई डोंट फील. 1 week ago he came, yesterday he came to meet me. तो 1 week ago he came and he started telling these problems कि सर वो मैं मोटिवेटेड नहीं करता हूँ. तो I wrote on his paper to run 4 kilometers every day. 400 meters के 10 sprints. And then I said कि get your vitamin D tested, B12 tested, uric acid tested. Join a library. Go into that library morning 9 to night 8. Like an office. जब मन हो तब नहीं. If you slept at 5 AM, फिर भी get up at 8 AM. 5 बजे सुबह सोए हो, 3 घंटे ही सो, sleep for 3 hours. जैसे मैं ऑफिस में आया हूँ. Sit in the library. Study. Take the lunch break at the specific time. अब लाइब्रेरी में you could watch movies also. I'm not saying you go and study only. And try making friends. You won't believe last week he came, yesterday he came, and he was about to cry कि after 6 months I have started studying. The reason is when you don't do any physical work. देखो, our food habits are of the age when we used to walk kilometers. तो brain stop producing essential हार्मोन्स. जैसे एक हार्मोन होता है शायद एसिटोसिन और समथिंग. इट इज हार्मोन ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. इट कम्स ओनली बाय फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. जैसे यू विल सी इन योर चाइल्डहुड यू आर लेस मूड ड्रिवन. व्हेन यू फील लाइक स्टडी यू कुड स्टडी. कॉलेज में व्हेन यू फील लाइक स्टडी, कॉलेज में जब भी होता था एग्जाम के एक रात पहले पढ़ना तो वी कुड स्टडी. स्लोली एंड स्लोली वी आर मूड ड्रिवन. रीजन इज बैड फिजिकल बॉडी. आई कैन शो यू हंड्रेड्स ऑफ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ सच स्टूडेंट्स. अब जब व्हाट आई वांट टू से कि व्हेन आई वाज टेलिंग दिस टू स्टूडेंट he was really disappointed. ये क्या बता रहे हो कि run every day 4 kilometers, get these tests done in a library, go like an office, sit in the library even if you can't study, don't open the mobile phone. चाहे मूवी देखो बट मोबाइल फोन मत देखो. डोंट वॉच द रील्स, वॉच द मूवी इफ यू वांट इन दैट लाइब्रेरी ऑफिशियली कुर्सी मेज पे बैठ के. ही वॉज रियली डिसअपॉइंटेड कि अरे यार आई वॉज नॉट होपिंग दिस आंसर. कुछ जलवा, कुछ ऐसी चीज बताओ मजा है सुन के. तो ही वॉज रियली डिसअपॉइंटेड. बट बिलीव मी आई कैन शो यू हंड्रेड्स ऑफ स्क्रीनशॉट्स कि हाउ स्टूडेंट्स से कि नाउ दे कुड स्टडी. आई एम नॉट सेइंग बाय दिस ऑल प्रॉब्लम्स विल सॉल्व. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम फिर आएगी आपकी ऑफ टाइम टेबल कि नाउ हाउ टू मैनेज दिस 10 hours ऑफ टाइम. पहले आई शुड नो कि एट व्हाट स्टेज यू आर, बिकॉज देयर इज नॉट सिंगल एडवाइस फॉर एवरी स्टूडेंट. जैसे मैं बताऊं, सम स्टूडेंट्स आर हैविंग दैट अंडर करंट ऑफ थॉट, तो आई आस्क देम टू हैव सोशल लाइफ. ठीक, मैनी स्टूडेंट हु हैव गुड सोशल लाइफ वो ये सुनते हैं, तो उनको लगता है नहीं इससे तो नहीं होता है, आई हैव अ गुड सोशल लाइफ, मैं तो नहीं पढ़ पा रहा. तो आपकी प्रॉब्लम अलग है. टू सम डॉक्टर विल से ईट फैट, टू सम डॉक्टर विल से कट फैट. तो ऐसा नहीं आपका सुन के मैं जाके फैट खाने लग जाऊं. तो माई हम्बल एडवाइस इज डोंट सर्च फॉर मोटिवेशन, फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट प्रॉब्लम यू हैव एंड देन फाइंड द ट्रिक्स टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. जैसे जो मेडिकली इट ट्रीट इज लाइक एन डिजीज, डिजीज है ये कोई आपके इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो ट्रीट इट लाइक अ डिजीज. यू लुक एट योर टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम एंड फिर वो कैसे होगा. फिर नेक्स्ट वी विल हैव सेशन. आप अपने कमेंट्स में कैटेगरी लिखना, तो वी विल टेक द सेशन टू solve that category.
Definitely, and this session is totally dedicated कि how you should be like tackling this preparation के around जितने भी problems हैं. You should not be worrying कि how we will be getting motivated for the whole year. And this is really very new perspective which I like heard from you, sir. Like there is no need for motivation, right? I never actually heard about.
नहीं मैम, बात ये है ना कि वो वर्क नहीं करता है. It do not work. It also make the life difficult for aspirant. है ना. मोटिवेशन तो आप हो मोटिवेटेड, प्रॉब्लम ऑफ प्रिपरेशन इज ओवर मोटिवेशन. स्टूडेंट्स आर ओवर मोटिवेटेड. मैं आपको एक चीज, जैसे एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूं. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सीरियस स्टूडेंट्स हु आर लिविंग हियर और प्रिपेयरिंग दिस एग्जाम सीरियसली. व्हेन दे कांट स्टडी, तो लॉजिक शुड से एनीवन हु इज लिविंग इन दिल्ली हु हैज गुड मनी टू एटलीस्ट रोम इन दिल्ली, है ना. 5-6 हज़ार रुपए तो महीने के होते हैं डिस्पोजेबल इनकम. सम स्पेंड समवेयर एल्स, सम स्पेंड समवेयर एल्स. लॉजिक सेज अ स्टूडेंट हु कांट स्टडी शुड गो टू सीपी, should go to Qutub Minar, should go to Lal Killa, should go to ये mall or should go to Saket. They never leave Rajendra Nagar. आपको एक और एग्जांपल बताऊं, and many students could relate. There are two students, one could study, one could not study. A third person comes and asks, let's have a tea. The one who could study will say, कि यार अभी I'm studying, it's 5 p.m. At 6 I'll take the break, then we will go. 1 घंटे और रुको. If he wants to go, he go. Otherwise, he will wait. The one who can't study or who is not studying, he will not go. He will say, I will not go, I have to study. Because he thinks next minute I'll start studying. ठीक है? Entire of his life is an effort to start studying. That makes him exhausted. वो exhausted है. I really feel pity on the students who can't study. The reason is they put so much effort to study कि वो उसी थकान में नहीं पढ़ते. आपको मैं बताऊं कि पढ़ने का मन कब करता है, when you will feel like studying, not when you are studying in sitting in front of your book, ना. When I will ask you कि let's have a tea and we both are drinking tea, और मैं आपसे कहूं कि मेरा भाई एक काम है करोल बाग तक, accompany me. I am doing my job inside shop and you are sitting there. There you will feel like studying. कि क्या टाइम वेस्ट मैं कर रहा हूं इस बेवकूफ के साथ. By this time I would have. There should be some of this social life which pulls you back towards your study. देखो, वैसे तो I don't like these type of examples, but kite thinks thread is holding it back. Thread is what keeping kite afloat. Social life do not keep you back. Social life push you towards that. Social life ही उसकी तरफ push करती है. We feel कि वो if I'll waste 1 hour, waste that hour.
Then you'll realize the actual value.
First of you will, while going to Karol Bagh, we will talk rubbish. We will make fun of third person. That will make you happy. That will give you happiness from inside. That will reduce your anxiety and emotions. And then when I am inside the shop, tab your happy brain will think, I would have studied for 1 hour. And slowly you will go into that. There should be someone to disturb you in one day. The reason is there will be no one to disturb you. So after 1 week, 2 weeks, in morning your brain will start getting scared and less motivated. Problem with brain is कि when we study, it gets happy. Happy brain need rubbish to talk. Happy brain को rubbish चाहिए बात करने के लिए. In college, one night before exam, 4-5 friends lock themselves and study entire night only because they are together. Imagine doing that alone. वो आप alone करें तो आप तो सो जाओगे 10 बजे. 10 p.m. you will feel sleepy and you will sleep. And next day you will not even go to give exam. तो happiness is the must. Motivation is not must. और वो happiness आती है social life से. And what are the problems? It's specific type of problem का solution है ये. Every different problem have a different solution. First to identify your type. If you do not identify, किसी की जनरल सलाह कभी हम नहीं मानते. In health we never accept. ये बताएं, in health I should eat protein or cut protein आपके हिसाब से.
So it depends on my.
Depends on what condition I have. अब ये तो कोई बात नहीं ना कि प्रोटीन खाओ, cut the fat. I hope everyone will be aware, not eating fat is very dangerous for body. It is advice only for obese persons. It is not advice for everyone. भाई ये बताओ, many people say कि in egg take the yellow part away. I don't know it, but I hope for 2-3-year-old children it is not a good advice. Eat only protein. They should eat everything, है ना? तो that's what I'm saying. कि आप किसी भी चीज में जनरल सॉल्यूशन नहीं लेते. ये बताएं, if I'm making a house, I should have more open space or more room.
Depends on.
Depend on size of my plot.
Yeah.
अब I have a space of making one room. आप कह रहे हो इसमें पार्किंग बनवा लो. भाई मेरे पास
है ही नहीं तो.
6x6 का प्लॉट है, मैं उसमें पार्किंग बनवा लूं. And I don't have car. तो what fool I will look like? कि घर में पार्किंग लिखा हुआ है P, and I am living in that parking. There my job is to make the house according to my plot. मेरे पास 5 बीघा जमीन हो, 5 हेक्टेयर, तो there I'll make parking, there I'll make everything. जगह मेरे पास है नहीं. जैसे for example you ask me कि should I in my house what should I buy, sofa or bed? तो you can't give me advice ना. पहले तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मेरे घर में है क्या, कितना बड़ा घर है ना. आई एम लिविंग इन वन सिंगल रूम एंड यू आर सेइंग कि भाई एक बड़ा सोफा खरीद ले, रिक्लाइनर खरीद ले. तो डोंट गिव द एडवाइस व्हेन यू don't know the conditions.
True.
Why advice do not work? Because we listen general advices.
So we talked about so much about social life, having social life. So there are two kind of persons.
अच्छा मैम एक मिनट और.
Sure, sir.
I am talking about social life because that is major problem. Every student do not have the problem of social life. ये भी याद रखें.
True.
Major problem ये है. वो एक कैटेगरी है, वो बना रखी मैंने. I get message every day. That's called 2.2. That's the majority of students fall in that 2.2. मैं एक बार zoom करके आपको 2.2 दिखाई देता हूँ.
Yes.
तो आप ये 2.2 है मैम. You could read it also.
Sure, sir.
This is 2.2.
Sit to study but cannot study. Feels distracted, less motivated, and undercurrents of thoughts do not let you study.
है ना. तो this is out of 9 this is one problem. 9 type of students में ये एक problem है. इसका solution social life है. Every solution is not social life. तो many students think कि मेरे में तो वर्क नहीं कर रही. आपके problem you do not have that problem. First identify what problem you have. है ना. And I have spent a lifetime thinking about it. वो एक है ना, इसी कश्मकश में गुजरी मेरी जिंदगी की रात है. I have spent a lifetime thinking about it because I always thought कि I was not as less talented as a failure person I was. मैं कभी इतना less talented नहीं था जितना fail रहा. तो then I started thinking कि it's not only about talent. ये सिर्फ talent hard work नहीं. I was never dumb. Dumb में मेरा I was never less hard working. But every time whenever I lived a very embarrassed type of life, very failure type of life. तो then I started thinking कि बात motivation और hard work की नहीं है. It is about managing your health and social life. No subject in UPSC preparation is rocket science except CSAT. वो आपका poor है तो you have to work hard. Otherwise, if I could read 8 hours efficiently, no subject is difficult. कोई subject है नहीं जो difficult. Difficulty of subject is not the problem of this exam. It is managing yourself. एक ऐसे में शेर वैसे तो सुनाना नहीं ठीक है, बट एक शेर है, जहां बानी से है दुश्वार तर कारे जहां बीनी, जिगर खूं हो तो चश्मे दिल में होती है नजर पैदा, नवा पैरा हो बुलबुल के हो तेरे तरन्नुम से, कबूतर के तने नाजुक में शाही का जिगर पैदा, 1000 साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदावर पैदा. तो लाइन का ये मतलब है कि जहां बानी से है दुश्वार तर कारे जहां. Conquering this word is not as difficult as looking at this word with the right perspective. दुनिया को ठीक से समझ जाना दुनिया जीतने से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसको समझ में आ जाए आपके दुनिया कि I could understand this word. It is more difficult than winning this word. जिगर खूं हो तो चश्मे दिल में, तो फिर वो हार्ट में जो नजर है that will come from your struggles. तो 1000 साल नरगिस बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदावर पैदा. I am not taking credit for this, but
Nice.
I generally focus on looking at the problems technically, and it is only because after a lot of failures of my life I came to this conclusion कि I have to be shameless. थोड़ा shameless मुझे होना पड़ेगा. I am fail. Many people tell me कि ये तो खुद ही fail है, तू क्या बताएगा. तो आई एम नाउ ओके विद इट कि ठीक बात है, मेरी किस्मत में फेल होकर खुश होना लिखा है, आपकी किस्मत में सक्सेस होकर दुखी होना लिखा है, तो इट्स योर बैड लक, है ना. सो बी अ बिट नॉन इमोशनल, बी अ बिट टेक्निकल, दैट विल हेल्प यू, है ना. कोई आपको, अब आप सोचो मैं अगर पहले बता दूं मैं फेलियर हूं, तो आई हैव टेकन दैट पॉइंट आउट ऑफ योर एरो. आप अब ये पॉइंट डाल के मुझसे बहस नहीं जीत सकती. आप बहस के बीच में ये नहीं बोल सकती, यू कांट से मी कि अरे यू कांट डू एनीथिंग इन योर लाइफ. तो आई हैव टेकन दैट आउट फ्रॉम यू, है ना. दैट विल नॉट हर्ट मी, है ना. तो यू कांट डू दैट, तो दैट हेल्प्स, वो हेल्प करता है. हाँ जी.
So also, is there any chance to like get out of that introvert feeling?
हाँ
To change that?
हाँ तो मैम वी वर डिस्कसिंग कि देयर इज नो पर्सन इंट्रोवर्ट. जॉब ऑफ एन इंट्रोवर्ट पर्सन इज टू सर्च द कंफर्टेबल पर्सन. हाँ, वी वर डिस्कसिंग व्हेन आई केम टू टीच इन वाजीराम, तो इन स्टाफ रूम I never sit because senior teachers used to sit. I used to skip the staff room. I used to sit somewhere here and there. Many teachers, senior teachers, Pathak sir and all, they asked me कि भाई you should sit in staff room. It doesn't look good कि तुम बाहर बैठे हो students के साथ. So I always used to say no. Everyone used to say कि you are a very introvert person. But later they found out. And now they say कि भाई तो चुप भी हो जाया करो कभी, मतलब, है ना, talk less also. यार क्या बोलने में लगे हो. तो I was not introvert, neither I suddenly became extrovert. When I am comfortable at some place, every introvert person, you ask any introvert person, they are most talkative persons, है ना. they are, वो गागर में सागर भरा होता है, ready to burst out. Introvert person can talk. There is no such thing as introvert extrovert. If I am going with the strangers on a bus, I am introvert. Train में I am very introvert. मैं आपको बताऊँ, in train people, I can hear people talk bad about me कि this is a bad mannered person. When I ask others to keep quiet, चुप रहो, ये वो, उनको लगता है कि आई एम अ वेरी डिसिप्लिन्ड, वेरी दैट पर्सन. एंड व्हेन आई ओपन अप, तो आई ओपन अप, एवरीवन ओपन अप वेरी वेल. तो एवरीवन थिंक्स, मैं आपको बताऊं, जैसे इफ यू वांट टू बिकम एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर, तो एक ये लाइन आप बोल देना किसी से भी कि यू आर अ वेरी शाई पर्सन इन फ्रंट ऑफ स्ट्रेंजर्स, बट दोज हुम यू लव यू टॉक अ लॉट. एवरीवन विल आइडेंटिफाई विद दिस लाइन. ये जनरल लाइन है, बोली जाती है. आप दूसरों के साथ अच्छा करते हैं, पर दूसरे आपके साथ अच्छा नहीं करते. You do good with, है ना, you do good with people, but people don't do good with you. You love your friends and you like to talk with your friends, but many times your friend try to diss you. अब who do not feel this? तो introvert extrovert भी है. In front of stranger, in uncomfortable condition, everyone is introvert. In comfortable position, So there is no person called introvert. There are only people who do not find a good, comfortable atmosphere in their home or in their surrounding. सर्च दोज पीपल whom you are comfortable with it. आपको ये बस बात है कि सर्च करना पड़ेगा, है ना. इफ यू विल सर्च द पीपल, ये बात ठीक है, सम पीपल गेट इजिली कंफर्टेबल विद द सिचुएशन, सम पीपल आर अ बिट चूजी एंड पिकी. तो उसका मैं आपको एक कंसेप्ट बताता हूँ कि इन क्लास, इन स्कूल, एंटायर क्लास वॉज अवर फ्रेंड. जिसके पास मैम बिठा दें, मैम आस्क अस टू सिट विद दैट बॉय इन क्लास 2, तो आई बिकेम गुड फ्रेंड. ऑल ऑफ आवर बेस्ट फ्रेंड आर चोजन बाय लक. ठीक. In college, you make a core group of 4-5. You gel with them, you can't gel with others. After college in this life, you can't make any friends. Not because you are suddenly introvert, because you are now choosy. You start rejecting people on those qualities which have nothing to do with you. For example, I ask you, who's your favorite politician? You said my favorite politician is Prime Minister. And I am anti-BJP.
Okay.
So on this basis, I will develop a hatred. You don't reject your brother on this basis. You don't reject your father, but we reject friend on this basis. We start picking useless debates. Then I will ask you, what's your favorite singer? You told me Honey Singh. I will say low quality person. It has nothing to do with the quality of a person. I am listening Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. Doesn't make me intellectual in any way. I like the Hollywood web series, वो कौन सी, जो भी नार्कोस, गेम ऑफ थ्रोन टाइप्स, एंड यू वॉच मूवीज ऑफ मिथुन चक्रवर्ती. डजंट मेक मी इंटेलेक्चुअल. टॉक विद द पीपल ओनली ऑन द कॉमन थिंग्स विद विच वी आर कंफर्टेबल. नेवर ट्राई टू पिक द डिबेट्स एंड ट्राई टू टेक द हॉबीज ऑफ अ पर्सन एज द मार्क ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी. You will find everyone is good. For example, if I am going to Noida, you are going to Noida and a other person is going to Gurgaon. We could be friend. I should not search friendship in him. Make friends with those. Friend का मतलब, only meaning of friend is the one who could share thoughts with you. You need not to love your friend. You need not to be happy in his success. If your friend clear prelims and you can't, so you can openly say, "Kya re yaar, you have cleared and I have not. I don't find it very comfortable." है ना? It's really an embarrassment for. He will also accept it. वो ऐसा नहीं कहेगा you should be happy. I can be courteous in your success. I can't be happy in your success. If I am happy in your success, I am fool. I can be courteous कि हाँ भाई you are throwing a party, I'll attend that party and I'll attend decently. ये नहीं कि I am dancing more than you. मतलब someone else is selected and I am dancing. This type of personality is also not good. You are not introvert. You are simply in absence of comfortable people. Talk to the people, find comfortable people, you will also become. I don't believe in the theory of introvert. I only believe in the theory that we talk less people. We become choosy. Don't be that much choosy. If you are very hungry, you can't choose the food. आप सोचो you are dying out of hunger, and I gave you a food and you said इसमें नमक कम है, तो you deserve dying. Likewise, if there is some person who have no social life, he should stop being choosy. Join a library, talk to some people. If you are in your hometown, join a library, tell others you are preparing for UPSC. Half of youth in this country wants to prepare for UPSC. Help them, respect them, talk to them lightly, talk to them rubbish also. Because rubbish talking is the most important thing in our life. जैसे four students made a group. Next day they came and told me कि sir group तो बन गया, but problem is we talk rubbish. Yesterday entire day we talked about Congress BJP. I said that is your brain's need. You will talk for 4 days. After that, when your need is satisfied, you will start studying. I have seen the youth of this country criticize aunties of the families. कि they are very politician nature, है ना?
True.
They mind others' business.
True.
आप भी तो Big Boss देखते हो. You also are more interested in Ambani's wedding. It is human. Auntie चाची नहीं. For them that was politics. For you this is politics.
True.
Big Boss देखना, celebrities को follow करना, it is also vlogging देखनी, वो travel करने जा रहे हैं, nothing to do with us. तो when your talking need will be fulfilled, then only you will be able to concentrate. तो आप introvert नहीं हो, you only are more choosy because you reject people on those qualities which have nothing to do with you. अब आप बताओ, आप मिथुन की मूवी देख रही हो, इससे मैं क्या मतलब? What I have to do with it? If we could study together, we could be friends. If we can't, if you are not preparing for make friends those who are preparing for UPSC and don't expect a lot from friend. Friend are not those who have same habits. Friend are not those who like same things. Friend are those who could share each other's burden, who could talk each other. एक दूसरे से आप बात कर लें, वही friendship है. I remember I used to talk to my grandparents hours in my vacation. Today I feel they were my friends. वो मेरे friend थे. I know so much from my grandfather. He used to tell me stories of every type of story. Life में यहाँ वहाँ. He used to work in Rawalpindi in his youth. तो he told me so many stories. मुझे पता है वो फैसलाबाद ऐसे बना है, बीच में ऐसे 8 रोड ऐसे जाती हैं, वो ऐसे. तो I know this. The reason is I talked to him. He was my friend. Grandfather बाद में, पहले friend. तो anyone whom you could talk, his and my nothing match. कुछ भी match नहीं करता था. I was barely in class 7th 8th. Friend is those whom you can talk and share your burden. बस इतनी बात है. And you are not introvert. You are choosy. हाँ जी.
So choose well.
हाँ, choose well नहीं गलत बात है. Well नहीं. Don't choose. Don't choose.
Okay. Follow your needs.
Follow your need नहीं. If in this room there are 5 people, to one whom I do not like a lot, I will talk less. Other I will, because the reason is the whom you talk most. What if he goes? And he is the only person. Problem यहाँ पे ये है.
Very true.
हाँ, problem यहाँ पे है कि your friend whom you have made the friend, he will leave preparation. He will shift back to his hometown. हो गया अकेले. Reject no one. Don't choose.
Okay.
Be in contact with everyone. I should be enough courteous with you कि every day if I find you in trouble, इतना courteous कि if I am ill, I could call you up and call कि भाई मुझे hospital ले चल.
True.
इतनी आपकी friendship होनी चाहिए. You should have that much friendship कि if I am making tea in my room, अगर आप रूम में बनाते हैं या बाहर वो मिल गया, तो आप जरूर अरे भाई चाय पी ले यार. This much friendship. At least this much. इतना friend होना चाहिए कि if I am getting late, तो I could call someone in my flat कि वो मेरा खाना यार नीचे से पैक करवा के नीचे से शॉप से पैक माई फूड एंड कीप आई गिव यू मनी लेटर. इफ यू डोंट हैव 20 persons like this, your life will be a living hell. Living alone is very difficult. As many times landlords say friends should not come. Many landlords, God knows why they say, but they say this. Ask them. Relative do not come to your house. These are my relatives. These are more important than my own brother. मेरे सगे भाई से ज़्यादा ज़रूरी friends हैं. My own brother will take 8 hours to reach in Delhi. 8 घंटे लगेंगे, तब तक तो जान निकल जाएगी. Neighbors will help me. Never choose. You are not King George V. You are choosing your cabinet. आप cabinet नहीं choose कर रहे हो. Whenever you come in the contact of someone, take the number, talk decently. Don't indulge a lot. जो best friend है वो है. But always be ready कि when he will go, whom you will talk next. ऐसा ना हो कि एक ही दोस्त में सारा time invest. And the moment he gone, your social life is gone.
Again, emotion should not be
हाँ,
involved.
emotion should not be there.
That is the key.
Enjoy with someone. Don't hate anyone. Don't hate. Even if your parties are 100% opposite, mock him in a funny way. Funny way mock करें. जैसे you are BJP तो मैं कहूँ और भाई 400 पार. कैसी चल रही लाइफ? और अब की तो 500 पार होगा. This time तो 500. तो you will also laugh on it. Rather than me picking कि your party has done this और ये नहीं. Just a funny way. है ना, जैसे one of my friend was Congress supporter. तो I have named him. I don't want to. कि पप्पू कांग्रेसी. We used to call him and he used to laugh on it. He also used to enjoy. He also and he used to mock others back. आम आदमी पार्टी वाले तो वो ब्रूम जो झाड़ू दिखी भाई वो झाड़ू खरीद ले. बाई ब्रूम. जैसे दुकान पे झाड़ू दिखी तो just tell him कि भाई देख तेरा सिंबल इलेक्शन सिंबल. Everyone will laugh on it. Everyone is enjoyable. ऐसा नहीं है कि problem is when you start picking a WhatsApp forward करने लगे when he put a status you start fighting with him. कि how dare you have said this. ये that's wrong. That is where friendship comes back. जैसे your favorite actor is शाहरुख खान. My favorite actor is Salman Khan. तो I will send you bad movies of शाहरुख खान. है ना कि देख what a good acting. देख क्या acting चल रही है. वाह वाह वाह. रुलाएगा क्या पगले. तो these type of fun, everyone will love you. Problem comes when we start taking these things seriously. Never choose anyone. Every type of life. ये बताएं if my father starts supporting other party तो what can I do? ज़्यादा करूँगा तो property नहीं मिलेगी. तो I can't do anything. Here also, never ever try to choose. So not choose well. Choose well is wrong. Don't choose. Be in contact with everyone. कभी भी कोई काम पड़े तो I should be able to approach. इतनी सी बात.
Definitely.
Because the problem here in UPSC is dropout rate. Generally, your best friend will drop out. And suddenly you will find a vacuum. There should be someone not to fill you that vacuum. इतने लोग होने चाहिए.
That is very true. So I really got a new perspective look at like things today, and I hope everybody who's watching it must be getting that. So coming to the preparation, those who are going to give exam in 2025, what should be the approach? How should they strategize? And how should they go forward?
देखो first तो I will say कि break your ear.
Yeah.
Till October, prepare for mains like you have to attempt the mains. And don't say कि I'm not giving mains. Start saying, वैसे तो it will not help a lot, but start saying I'm not giving mains this year. But ultimately one day you have to clear prelims, mains and interview. If you will not prepare for mains, your 3 months will go in depression and waste. वो पूरे depression में ही जाएंगे. तो prepare for mains, full speed ahead. First those subjects which are mains specific, disaster management, internal security, ethics, essay, mains specific. Although it looks ideal, but if you have a group or you could alone, when the main paper comes for those students who are giving mains, take that paper and try to solve that. Write the answers as if you have to give the mains. ठीक, तो mains तक तो mains. Then next 2 months, cover those subjects which you have not read. जैसे for example you have skipped some part of polity, पंचायती राज. तो from October to January, whatever if left, means में वैसे तो you would not, but if left, read the books if any book is left, and from January onwards, start solving one prelims paper every day.
Okay.
एक prelims paper हर day. In morning solve the prelims. देखो problem of this study is lethargy. You don't feel like studying. So in morning get up, start your day with solving the paper. Your brain will leave that lethargy. वो lethargy चली जाएगी. and your brain will become active because you have solved the question on your own. Then after that, prelims के लिए, take the paper, divide questions in 5 types. If I write on board तो it will be better, but चलो मैं ऐसे बताता हूँ. Divide paper in 5 types. The questions you have solved right, and the question you could not read and did the silly mistake. For example, question is asked कि which of the following is not a kharif crop, and you have missed the not और आपने kharif crop लिख दिया. So the questions you have done right or you have read wrong, silly mistakes, take them away, forget about them. Then you are left with 3 types of questions. One, where you don't know the concept. Second, where you have not read the theory but you know from which part it comes. जैसे you have not read पंचायती राज और पंचायती राज का क्वेश्चन आ गया. And third, which you have no idea कि from where it is asked. ये पता नहीं पूछ कहाँ से दिया. So these 3 type of questions. Mark these questions. If you could not do the concept, 1 line by red pen. Go in your book. जैसे in polity you are reading M. Lakshmikant या yellow book. Go that, add 1 line in Panchayati Raj. Whatever concept you were missing. जैसे for example question is, who could amend the basic structure of constitution? So option 1 Parliament, option 2 Supreme Court, option 3 President, option 4 Constituent Assembly, option 5 none of the above. So many students generally say none of the above. But Constituent Assembly can change the basic structure. If second Constituent Assembly will sit, it will have new basic structure. Ab you don't know this. So go back in your book and you could write कि Constituent Assembly could change everything of Constitution because it will create a new Constitution. तो एक लाइन लिख लो. The part which you have not read at all, पढ़ा ही नहीं था पंचायती राज, तो that day mark that today you have to read पंचायती राज. So it will give you purpose to your reading. And third, where you find the new information which is not covered in book, तो add 1 line in the same subject book. लक्ष्मीकांत में एक जगह लिख लें एक line और about the new topic. By this your knowledge will improve and you will prepare better. So divide your year in 3 parts. Till October only mains. October to January, whatever books you have to cover, and from January onwards 1 prelims paper every day, and dividing subject in 5 parts, and start doing that preparation. So in January we will discuss again how to go for prelims, but abhi filhal focus on mains. Otherwise your time till January will be a waste. Okay. January तक का time आपका waste हो जाएगा. You will not be able to utilize that.
And so what about those students who are, let's say, giving their second or third attempt in 2025? Is the strategy same for them or there's some difference?
Strategy to basic strategy to is same. But I will say कि if you have given 3 attempts, so anxiety becomes unmanageable. And I understand after giving 3 attempts, sense of purpose starts losing. So in that case, if you could prepare for state PSC, if you want, that's also not a bad option. Because it increases your sense of security. To do that, divide your week. 5 days a week, prepare for UPSC. 2 days a week, prepare for state PSCs. If your third option, according to me, if you don't want to do that, not a problem. But some students I have seen, they try to prepare for state PSC, but they can't manage. When they read for UPSC, they feel like reading for state PSC. When they study for PSC, they feel like studying for UPSC. Divide your week into 2. 5 days UPSC, 2 days state PSC, any 2 days. For example, take out Wednesday, Thursday, state PSC, or Saturday, Sunday, state PSC, Monday to Friday, UPSC. It will give you a bit more confidence if you are willing. If you are willing to do full-time UPSC, so manage your emotions and prepare in the same way. Method to same ही, according to me. Till October mains, October to January general study, and January onwards prelims. Okay. And difference between main and prelims, and in mains you study the same thing, you do answer writing practice. In prelims you study the same, you do the prelims papers. इतना अंतर होता है. It's not much difference.
So when we talk about piling up the syllabus, one word is there, procrastination, right? This is a habit of a lot of students these days. When we start studying, I'll do it tomorrow, right? This habit, how to get rid of this? And what is the source of that constant, feeling from inside that will make you go every day?
पहले तो एक जान ले. Procrastination is sign of no daily goal.
Okay.
When you don't have a daily goal, you will procrastinate. Procrastination वो सब कुछ नहीं कि you are lazy, you are lethargic. When I don't have a daily goal, I'll procrastinate. Take one example of what we are recording. You know it.
Sure, sir.
I have given you time first of 1:30. Then I sort of slept off. Then I started doing lunch, which generally I do in 15 minutes. Today I do in 45 minutes. And I reached here almost 90 minutes late. Ab, why this happens? Because I know students are not there. And we could record it instead of 2. 3 is also not a great problem. Hai na? If this would have been a class with students, imagine 400 students waiting for me. Would I have done the same?
No.
So not at all. I was not a lazy man. If I could postpone something, I will postpone something. Take one more example. If my class is at 7:30, I take 45 minutes for everything. From getting up till getting ready, 45 minutes. If class is at 11, I do it in 1 hour. If class is at 5:30, I take entire day to do the same things.
True.
इतनी चीज करने में मुझे पूरा दिन लगता है. 3 times I will drink tea. नींद ही नहीं उतर रही. Then I will feel lethargic. Then I will sit. नहीं ये सब नहीं. First I'll get up and I will watch 2 hours of reels. बेड पे बैठ के 2 घंटे रील देख रहे हैं. Talking कि Joe Biden have dropped from presidential race. Nothing to do with me. मुझे वो अपने MLA का नाम नहीं पता. But I am searching Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, फिर वो क्या बांग्लादेश में प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है. All this rubbish. It will take entire day for me to get ready for the class. Last में, I will leave the house same 15 minutes ago.
True.
You must have seen the teachers who are coming from far away comes on time. Teachers who are coming from nearby generally are late. The reason is not procrastination. I have the time, I'll use the time. Because generally what I feel is the basic nature of our work is it expands to take the available time. अगर आपको वो करने के लिए you have 1 hour, तो work will shrink into 1 hour. If you have 6 hours, तो work will expand into 6 hours. ठीक? तो problem of procrastination is when students do not make any daily goal. अब कैसे करना क्या है? तो what I feel, I give a word view to student. देखो, कोई भी एक book लें, जैसे for example, if I take this page, if I have a book and I am reading this book, तो first what I will do, कि I will take out an ideal time. थोड़ा लंबा process है, but let me tell you कि
Sure,
when
sir.
I used to follow this, and I shifted as a student, I shifted in a new room in Rajendra Nagar. And in my room, behind my room, there was or in one of the wall, there was a holder of a bulb. You won't believe I saw that holder after 1 month. Because the moment I enter room, I had a daily goal and I used to study. I never ever sat to look at my room, ki how my room is. That is the pressure of daily goal. And same person when do not make daily goal, तो 5 दिन हो जाते हैं, I study nothing. And let me tell you how to do it. अभी करना कैसे? देखो, if I have first तो I have a day. First I'll take out how many hours. For example, if I want to study 6 hours a day.
Okay.
ठीक? I'll pick a book. For example, I am picking NCERT. I will see in 1 hour I can study 4 pages. ठीक? So in 6 hours, how much I should have studied? 24 pages. I'll take 4 days. Generally, I am of the belief कि for 4 days, if study is going good, so you follow whatever you want. But if it's not going, so 4 days, 1 book. NCERT. So in 4 days, I have to study 96 pages. ठीक? I am on page number 6. Today we are in Monday. Let's say Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday by afternoon 12, I should be able to read 96 pages. ठीक? One day 24 pages. अब forget about your hours. अब अपने hour भूल जाए. And divide these pages into 24 hours. In short, for next 4 days, I have to complete 1 page every hour. समझ आई बात?
Got it, sir.
अब I am sitting with you and talking for 1 hour. It means I have wasted my 1 page.
1 page.
If I have slept for 7 hours,
Wasted.
So after getting 7 hours, I should look at my book and should think I'm 7 pages behind. So before brushing my teeth, I should be aware that I have to cover 24 pages plus 7, 31 pages of today. If I am wasting a time with my friend drinking tea, it means I am 2 pages behind. First 4 days you will not feel that urgency. वो procrastination की आदत रहेगी. After 4 days, if you could read 48 pages, so first you will have a analysis कि you have wasted 50% efficiency. Next 4 days, page complete ना हो कोई बात नहीं, leave the book. Next 4 days, pick another book, make another goal, like this only. First, the pages you could read into the hours you want to study. Then forget about the hours, only pages and 24 hours. Divide your goal in 24 hours. Per hour, उसमें sleeping भी है, eating भी है, everything will be involved. If I think I should read 48 pages, तो ये मैं कोई timetable नहीं, कोई time, no timetable की 12 to 3 study nothing. 24 hours, 48 pages. 2 pages per hour. उसमें sleeping will also be counted. Eating will also be counted. If you are eating slow, तो you are postponing your study. समझ आई बात? उठते बैठते सोते, keep looking at that. कि how many pages I have covered, how many pages I have to. If you will start doing it, so the moment you will come towards your house, you will have a mental calculation कि किस पेज पे हूं मैं and up till how much page I have to cover. So slowly and slowly, by 12 or 16 days, by 3rd, 4th round, your subconscious mind will start thinking about the number of pages. आप रूम में आते सबसे पहले बुक देखेंगे कि where I was and where I should be. Because after 4 days, when you will have to switch it without completing, it will develop a sense of real guilt, technical guilt. And then you will see, so I am of the belief timetable 24 hours should be for study. ये नहीं कि you made a timetable कि 12 बजे से मान लो ना पढ़ा मन करने का, फिर timetable will go out of the window. And we make deadly timetable. Some timetable भी deadly बना लेते हैं कि 12 to 6, then 6 to 6:30, light rest, then 6:30 to 10, वो सब नहीं. 24 hours में एक book के some pages you choose. Better if you choose divided by or multiplied by 24. So that will also, there are 36 चुन लें. So 36 means 1.5 pages per hour. So I have started feeling there was a time कि believe me when I get up after sleep, the first thing I used to check was my book. I could read 18 pages and I have to complete 24, so 6 behind. So then slowly and slowly an urgency started coming. फिर आप देखोगे कि you are watching reels, so your brain will tell you कि you have wasted half an hour. And then your brain will talking to you positively. कि what an animal you are. क्या animal हो यार, बैठ के reel देख रहे हो बिना मतलब. Study in that time. So then sense of urgency. You need some external force to push it. Daily goal. अगर daily goal नहीं है तो आप नहीं कर सकते. If teachers are not given time, number of classes to complete their syllabus, syllabus कभी खत्म नहीं. Same thing you took 6 months of semesters to study, you can't. And the same thing you have studied in one night. एक चीज आप पूरी एक रात पढ़ गए because you had a daily goal. तो 24 hours से अपना pages को divide करके start reading the pages according to 24 hours. You will leave that procrastination. And I can show you the messages of students who have done it and who started finding कि lethargy has disappeared. Procrastination has disappeared. Procrastination चला गया. आप खुद ही देखें कि we are here for 2 hours. If my brain should have told me कि I am 4 hours behind, 4 pages behind, I have wasted 4 pages sitting here. The first thing I should go to my home is to backlog. और हर hour के हिसाब से वो पेज चले. So slowly and slowly you will see a certain discipline will start coming. वो मैं am not a great fan कि 12 से 3 में पढ़ूंगा. What if efficiency is not good in those 3 hours? तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं. 24 hours should be for your study. Don't count the hours. Don't count that. Count the pages per day. So you will have a needed discipline. तो आपके पास वो needed discipline आ जाएगी. You will see your procrastination started disappearing.
Definitely. So when we talk about problems like procrastination, right? So are these the keys that toppers are able to avoid? Is there any particular difference in people who like succeed in the examination and those who are unable to?
The problem of our life is, or our society is, कि we majority of toppers, I should not say this, but majority of toppers, they could study because unknowingly they were familiar with something. I have never seen a student who could not study for first two attempt, and then he became topper. No, that's why what I should not say this, but luck comes. Luck is not your in exam. Luck will favor you. You are able to study properly. That is also lucky. Every topper has a different strategy. हर topper की different strategy है. Listen it only if nothing is working for you. मेरी advice आप तभी सुने जब आपके लिए कुछ और work नहीं कर रहा है. If something is working for you, don't change it. तो every topper have their different strategy. I can share hundreds of such strategies, but I have seen majority 90% of strategies are when you are already studying good. सारी strategy अब ये कोई कह दे कि ये book पढ़ लो, read this book. यार my problem is I can't read the book. ये तो मुझे ही पता है कौन सी बुक पढ़नी है. Someone say start answer writing. आंसर लिखो. यार वही तो मैं नहीं लिख पा रहा हूं. I am unable to sit and study. My brain is not letting me study. When I study, तो my thoughts are going somewhere else. My body and brain is not under my control. वो मेरी problem है. My problem is not कि I don't know which book to read. Problem with the advice where internet is full is either it is full of motivation or it is full of sources. इसके लिए ये बुक पढ़ दो, वो बुक पढ़ूं कैसे, मैं नहीं पढ़ी जा रही मुझसे. The reason is your social life. By luck, some student, and I have seen that when I was lucky and when I was not lucky. जब मैं lucky था तो I feel like exam is nothing. तो majority of toppers unknowingly, I have never seen a lonely person topping the exam. वो कहता है कि I study alone, but he had a social life. जैसे for example, I tell you, दो मूवी आई, two movies. Believe me, I am not a watcher of these movies, but because of these memes and reels, I could also find what is there. जैसे एक मूवी आई थी Aspirants, and one movie came 12th fail. ना 12वीं fail थी उसका नाम.
Yes.
In both movies, the toppers had friends, they had girlfriends, they had the social life, they had everything. And then they used to study alone for 4-5 hours a day. वो अपना struggle बता रहे हैं. There was not real struggle तो भी हमने देखा नहीं. Majority of toppers have not even met the real struggle. Believe me. And I have talked to the student before the result come and after the result come, उनकी पूरी कहानी बदल जाती है. Their entire story change on its head. जैसे for example, if you are not selected, so you will talk normally. The day you are selected, first thing you will think about a mythical event happening in your life. One day I came to meet sir, he disrespected me. That day I took the oath. I'll top the exam, which never happened with you. You will talk mythical stories about some relative disrespecting you. पर किया भी तब आप भूल भी गए उसे. बट आपको रिजल्ट के बाद वो याद आता है. तो प्रॉब्लम इज कि वो जो मूवीज हैं उनमें एवरी कैरेक्टर हैड अ सोशल लाइफ. यही मैं स्टूडेंट से कहता हूँ कि वी आर गेटिंग इमोशनल ऑन देयर स्ट्रगल. लुक एट योर स्ट्रगल. अपना देखो. यू डोंट हैव एनीवन टू टॉक टू. आपसे कोई बात करने वाला नहीं है. यू हैव नो वन टू शेयर योर प्रॉब्लम्स. उनके तो फ्रेंड्स थे. एंड इन बोथ द मूवीज आई हैव हर्ड दिस कि फ्रेंड्स वर रियली हैप्पी ऑन द सक्सेस ऑफ देयर फ्रेंड्स. इतने सेल्फलेस फ्रेंड किसी को मिल जाए, व्हाट मोर यू वांट इन लाइफ. If I get friends who are my success, they are more happy than me. पहले तो what type of person they are. मतलब he will say what type of daughter or son I have. He is happy on his friend's success. So these people who are successful, unknowingly, they have the social system. I have never seen a really depressed student getting selected. वो कहते हैं मैं अकेले पढ़ता हूँ. वो तब अकेले पढ़ते हैं. They study alone. When the moment they stop study, they have a social life to go to. जैसे मैं यहाँ पे अकेले बैठ के पढ़ूं, and the moment I step out of this room, in staff room there are teachers, बाहर students हैं, I have so many friends to talk to. फिर मैं अकेले पढ़ूं, that is studying alone. वो ठीक है, then study alone. If you live alone, study with someone. If you live with someone, study alone. You need social life. Social life आपको चाहिए. आप कोई भी मूवी देख लें, उसमें वो फ्रेंड्स हैं, पूरा सोशल सपोर्ट है, गर्लफ्रेंड है, एवरीथिंग देयर. यहाँ गर्लफ्रेंड जो लोग लड़कों के पास बॉयफ्रेंड मतलब मेल फ्रेंड नहीं होता. दे डू नॉट हैव सम बॉय टू टॉक टू. वो तो सब छोड़ो. एंड दीज ऑल आर इमोशनल नीड्स. आप देखो अब जैसे आई शुड नॉट से दिस यहाँ पे मेनी पीपल टॉक अबाउट जैसे वन इट्स नॉट अ वेरी गुड एग्जांपल. वन पेरेंट्स केम टू मी. ही सेज कि वो सर वो माय बॉय इज इन अफेयर विद अ गर्ल. आई सेड ठीक बात है अंकल, आप बैठो पहले. बोथ हस्बैंड वाइफ आर देयर. आई सेड पहले बात तो ऑन माय बिहाफ एक्नॉलेज वन थिंग.
Sure.
Whatever you want your child to do is unnatural. Studying for hours. And whatever he is trying to do is natural. Nature has made him to do this. Acknowledge this. मैं नहीं कहूँ appreciate it. Don't appreciate it. I'm not appreciating it. But द सक्सेस स्टोरी जो आप सुनते हैं, दे आर हैविंग अ प्रॉपर सोशल सिस्टम. अब आप ये बताओ, इन द लेट 20s, when majority of our parents and grandparents were married, you want me to close my door and study for hours, for years? अरे एक दिन, 2 दिन, हफ्ता, 10 दिन, 15 days I could do it on my own. After that it will become unmanageable. ये तो भैया भाई आप बताओ कि 2 boys come to my room and I say them I'll give you food, and I start fighting with them and I send both of them back. One goes back to his home, he has food, he eat. Another don't have food in his home. So obviously the one who don't have food will be more emotional about it. जिसके पास खाना है वो तो कहेगा ही, अरे मत सोच यार, don't think about it. He is an idiot man, don't think about it. जिसके पास नहीं खाना, वो तो रात भर खाना ही सोचेगा ना. तो have social life. Toppers have this social system. That's why it was easy for them. And they also, देखो the bad thing about luck is, whenever it side with someone, he is the first one to reject it. Luck जिसका साथ देता है, सबसे पहले वही luck को reject करता है. I am not saying toppers are lucky because they got good marks. Toppers are lucky, or anyone who's successful in the life is lucky to have a social system. Unknowingly he gets the social system. आप खुद ही देख लें, जिस पे social system नहीं है, he can't even study. तैयारी वैयारी तो छोड़ो, he can't even study. तो social system और social life is something which can take you out from these problems, emotional problems. बाकी तो I've told you type of student, सबका solution social life नहीं है. Even if you have social life, then also there could be a problem, but उसका solution अलग है.
Okay, sir. That was very insightful, and I guess today's discussion was actually very helpful, as we dedicated it to the students who did not make it this time. But surely, if they follow all the things that we discussed in today's session, they'll be making it 2025.
अच्छा, one thing also I want to say, if anyone wants, even if you are not student here, and if you want to consult and want to come and meet, so teachers here are available for you, and you could meet. And it's not that you need to have a student here, then only you could come and any type of problem if you want any type of solution, so you could come and meet. Just walk in and say that you want to meet some teacher. No one here will ask you about your iCard or you are a student or not. Every teacher, and it's not about me, every teacher here is helping all the types of students. And so you need not, if you want to ever meet, so it is all available to you.
Surely, sir. So again, I would like you to, like in few concluding words, say something to the students for 2025, those who are going to prepare.
And those who are going, first to identify yourself. है ना? Identify yourself. What's your problem? First step is that. And then always listen to the specialist. जैसे even when we have something in nose, we go to ENT. ऐसा नहीं कि एक पैरासिटामोल खा लेते हैं. तो always first identify what's the problem with you. That is the first step towards the solution. And believe me, I don't want to prove it, but I have so many messages and screenshots and of so many students, and I take pride in this rather than a selected student taking my name. वो तो obviously, if a student is selected, तो उसके mood पे है. He can give credit to his parents, anyone. और वो देगा भी, that's not a problem. But a student who could not do anything in his life. There are many definitions of success according to me. One definition of success is to make change in those lives who could not make change in their own lives. ऐसे लोगों की लाइफ में चेंज लाना जो अपनी जिंदगी में खुद ला पाता है. They could be poor, they could be downtrodden, and they could be those students who, even after applying so much force, cannot study. So today's session is mainly dedicated to one type of students, those who can't make change in their life. ठीक है, तो my simple message is first identify your category, and this is the flowchart which I send to the students whoever come to me. पहला चीज I ask them to look at this flowchart. Tell me what's your problem, and then tell me about yourself for 10 minutes. Then I'll tell you what is the solution. I am not of the view कि वो जादू की झप्पी मुन्ना भाई दे दे. I really appreciate Dr. Asthana. एक मूवी है, I have not seen it. Believe me, I have not seen it. Student message भेजते हैं. Many times students send me a message. जीतू भैया है कोई, है ना?
Yes, sir.
कि वो सर जीतू भैया हैं और वो आप. I don't appreciate जीतू भैया. वो मैंने उस मूवी में एक रील देखी है, उसमें कोई स्टूडेंट है, वो ओनर है वो इंस्टीट्यूट का. He says your son will not be selected. 30 सेकंड का उसका वीडियो कहता है 10 लाख स्टूडेंट्स हैं और वो 10 लाख में. I appreciate that person. If I given a chance, I will like to become that person who's straightforward. If you have low IQ and you are asking me, I want to do math Olympiad, I should be the one to say you no, nahi kar paunga. You tell me कि I want to sing more better than Arjit Singh, तो मैं कहूँगा एक बार गा के दिखा. And if you sung, and if your singing is bad, I should be the first one to say you don't sing, change your career. Man cannot do everything. ये सब फालतू motivational rubbish है. Everything छोड़ो. If I could do one thing in my life, that will make me successful. आदमी एक काम कर ले जाए यही बहुत है, सब तो छोड़ो. Man could do one thing in his life, that is more than enough. Everything तो no one can do. That's why first identify your type. I am fan of technical things. Technical thing क्या क्या करनी है. If you want to become singer, तो सारे गामा पाधा नीसा की जानकारी करें. लाइफ ऑफ लता मंगेशकर, अरिजीत सिंह का वॉलपेपर लगा के यू विल गेन नथिंग. आप रोज अरिजीत सिंह की रॉयल एंट्री देखो कि हाउ इज विनिंग ऑस्कर, वो जो भी अवार्ड जीते. तो आई एम नॉट अ ग्रेट फैन ऑफ दैट. आई हैव नो एडवाइस टू गिव in a general sense. General sense में don't take any advice. Second thing, if something is working, if you are studying good, don't listen the advice. आप advice ना सुने. एक, you are a very healthy person, don't listen anyone's advice. Do whatever you are doing. If you are unable to study, or if you have some problem, first identify your type. Tell me about yourself for 10 minutes. Then I'll give you the solution. And because today we discussed a very specific problem, that's why I have talked about it. Otherwise, I have no intention to give general emotional grant to anyone. Emotion is something which I hate. Although it's easier said, मैं भगवान बुद्ध नहीं हूँ. I also generate emotions, but I feel it. Whenever I have shown emotion, I have projected myself as a weak man. If in class I get angry, sometimes I get angry in class. That reduces my respect as a teacher. वो मेरी as a teacher जो I want to project, वो उसमें it shows me a bad teacher. Good teacher should never lose temper. आप देखो, fathers rarely lose temper, mothers always lose temper. We are always scared of fathers, है ना, because we know कि for him temper losing is a big thing. I have never seen anyone getting very emotional on mother's scolding. अब देखो मम्मियाँ डांटती रहती हैं, ठीक बात है वो, but father when he look at us and say one thing, तो we know he mean business. तो emotional persons are generally, वो तो mother तो is a different thing, वो तो उसको तो यहाँ पे नहीं लाना चाहिए, वो तो it's a separate thing. We are part, that's the beyond discussion. But generally, वो emotional जो होता है, and अच्छा, that's why we also take mothers for granted. हम लोग इसलिए mothers को for granted लेते हैं. And I said mother effect. Don't help anyone more than he wants. किसी की help उससे ज़्यादा ना करें, because mothers do this. Mothers try to help us more than we want. That's why we don't take them seriously. इसीलिए उनका फोन भी नहीं, वो बात भी नहीं ठीक से करते. Emotion is the enemy of preparation and everything. Identify your type. I'll tell you technical things. बिल्कुल technical bullet points. ये सब नहीं कि get up every day, think about your parents, और वो तिलक लगा दो, गाना सुन लो, लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना है. That will take you nowhere.
Truly. So I would also like to add one thing at the end. My father also discussed this thing. When I was facing a failure in life, he told me, instead of getting worried, like, why are you worried to get happy or be happy? Instead, be happy, right? That is so simple. You do not have to worry for being happy. Instead, be happy. That is a very general emotion. Everything is here, right? You don't have to stress it out. कि मुझे खुश होने के लिए बहुत परेशान होना पड़ रहा है, तो ज़रूरत इससे बेहतर खुश ही हो जाओ.
हाँ, मतलब सही बात है कि भाई we think happiness should come naturally to us. Nothing comes naturally to us. कुछ भी natural नहीं है ना. We are sitting here in such a dignified way only because of the comfortable chair, air conditioning, silent environment. We are looking dignified. अभी यही podcast अपन बस स्टेशन पे रिकॉर्ड करें तो we will get irritated. तो we are not good person. We are sitting in a comfortable environment, तो बड़े इंटेलेक्चुअल लग रहा है. अभी यही अपन रोड पे घूमे तो सारा इंटेलेक्चुअलिज्म डिसअपियर हो जाए. ठीक बात है ये. तो नथिंग इज एफर्टलेस. हैप्पीनेस विल नेवर कम टू यू एफर्टलेसली. यू हैव टू वर्क अ लॉट. इसीलिए वी ऑल फोकस ऑन अवर करियर्स, बिकॉज हमें पता है कि देयर विल कम अ टाइम वेयर विल नीड टू एफर्ट. भाई आप ये बताओ कि समवंस सन इज इन हॉस्पिटल, हाउ ही विल गेट हैप्पी, है ना. तो फॉर दैट वी अर्न अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. कि उस दिन हमें, तो ठीक बात है, हैप्पीनेस विल नेवर कम नेचुरली टू. उसके लिए परेशान नहीं होना है. बी जॉली एंड नो दिस कि टेंशन में ही पढ़ना है. एक चीज आपको बता दें, प्रोग्रेसिव लाइफ इज टेंस लाइफ. People of my village are 10 times more happy than people of Delhi. आपके भी village में, सबके village में,
Truly.
people of village are 10 times more happy. But we don't want that life. We want a tense life. Problem of a progressive life, it is tense. If you never felt like quitting, your goal is not big enough. अगर आपको टेंशन मतलब नहीं होती तो उसमें नेचुरली हैप्पी रह सकते हैं. ऐसा तो नहीं पढ़ते पढ़ते हैप्पीनेस आ जाएगी भाई. इफ आई गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम पुलिस थाना एंड यू टेल मी डोंट वरी, व्हाट टू वरी, देयर इज टू वरी, बट मैं क्या करूं अब? तो आई विल शो यू कि नथिंग, अरे हाँ ठीक है ऐसे ही है, आई एम गोइंग टू मीट. तो थोड़ा तो एफर्ट लगाना पड़ता है ना.
Definitely.
एफर्ट इन एवरीथिंग, इन हैप्पीनेस ऑल्सो सम एफर्ट. इट विल नेवर कम नेचुरली टू यू. और दूसरी बात यह है कि ठीक है टेंस रहें, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम इन गेटिंग टेंस, बट टेंस इन योर थॉट, नेवर इन योर इमोशंस. थॉट में टेंस रहे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल थॉट में टेंस रहने का मतलब है कि इफ आई वॉन्ट टू इंप्रूव माई करियर एंड आई एम टेंस, तो आई शुड थिंक व्हाट शुड आई डू, क्या सब्जेक्ट, क्या लैंग्वेज पढ़ लूँ मैं, शुड आई लर्न सम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, शुड आई लर्न दिस, ही इज डूइंग बेटर देन मी, व्हाट इज ही डूइंग, रादर देन कि अरे यार गॉड व्हाट अ बैड लक, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ लाइफ आई एम लिविंग, आई वॉन्ट टू कमिट सुसाइड नेक्स्ट लाइफ, रीस्टार्ट, ये क्या बड़ा हो गया मैं. ये नहीं. इन थॉट बी टेंस, डोंट बी टेंस इन इमोशन. Always try to separate thought and emotions. Thoughts are coming or emotions are coming. Anger, happiness, ये सब emotion है. Tension is a sort of thought. Depression is an emotion. तो टेंशन तो होती है, बिना टेंशन के कैसे जिंदगी होगी? If you are not tense, it means you are not concerned. But emotion नहीं होना. ऐसा नहीं है कि विराट कोहली को इससे मतलब ही नहीं जीत जाए हार जाए. But he is not emotional about it. He is only looking at run rate की 12 run rate है. अरे यार कुछ let me do something. बजाय वो रोने लग जाए, अरे भैया 12 रन रेट है, आई हैव टू गो, नथिंग कुड बी डन. तो नेवर बी इमोशनली टेंस. थॉटफुली तो ठीक बात है. Thoughtfully, so every type of thought is good.
Definitely, sir. I hope this session was as insightful as I am having right now, because we were totally dedicated to make you worry free. Today's motive was to make you worry free. Now the time is to prepare. You have to come up, you have to outshine your own self. Yes, you can do it. And we will be back with such amazing sessions again and again. Until then, you have to do just one thing, practically keep studying. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today.
Thanks a lot.